Today I'm showing you how to blur part of a video in CapCut on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Import video. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import the video you want to edit. Step 2. Add blur effect. Tap Effects, Video Effects, Basic, then select your preferred blur style, Basic Blur, Mosaic, or Pixelate. Step 3. Adjust and apply. Tap Adjust, drag the slider right for stronger blur, then tap the check mark to apply. Step 4. Extend blur duration. Drag the blur effect on the timeline to cover the entire section you want blurred. Step 5. Copy video. Select your video and tap Copy to create a duplicate without blur. Step 6. Create overlay. Select the original video, tap Overlay, then add the blurred video copy as an overlay layer. Step 7. Apply mask. With the overlay selected, tap Mask and choose your shape. Circle for faces, rectangle for license plates. Step 8. Invert if needed. If the blur is backwards, tap Invert to flip it. Step 9. Position mask. Drag the mask over the area to blur. Use arrows to adjust size and pinch to zoom. Preview to ensure the blur tracks smoothly, then export your video. And that's it. You've successfully blurred part of your video in CapCut using masks and keyframes.